tongue starting to fall asleep again. Where's my prince?
Almazero! Forget the food, just give us a pepper! What is this, candy?
I warned you. Your lives have become too spicy, rendering you immune to spices.
Don't you have a hotter pepper, Beastie?
No, bro, I'm tapped out! So we must return to the prison of blandness? No, there is one pepper we have yet to try. Zerath Metrion Zithos! Behold, the tears of Zethus, grown in the gardens of eternal flame. These peppers inflict great pain and suffering on any foolish enough to consume them. Perfect.
This is not perfect. More spice isn't the answer.
Not bad. You know, this reminds me of... It's not working!
There's only one thing that can save us now! We must travel to the lair of the Dairy King and drink the infinity milk from his immortal udder! This map shows where he lives, but my eyes are too watery to read it!
No.